Number 1.
1985 Ford F-150, price $9,500. With just 90,000 miles on the odometer, it has clearly been well cared for over the years. Powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with a smooth automatic transmission, this truck delivers a driving experience that is both dependable and enjoyable. Whether you're cruising around town or heading out on the open road, the bold red exterior is in excellent condition and pairs seamlessly with the matching red interior, giving the truck a timeless, eye-catching look. Inside, the cabin is clean and comfortable, maintaining much of its original charm. Everything works exactly as it should, from the mechanical systems to the interior features, making this F-150 not only a head-turner but also a fully functional classic. It's rare to find a truck from this era that runs, drives, and looks this good without requiring additional work.
Number 2.
1983 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,500. This truck is a desirable short wheelbase model, powered by a strong 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a durable turbo 400 automatic transmission. The truck comes equipped with power steering and power brakes. It features manual windows and door locks, maintaining a simple and classic interior setup. While it has some minor rust in a few spots, the overall body remains solid and in good shape for its age. All of the original components for the factory air conditioning system are still in place, making it easier for the next owner to get it up and running again if desired. This Silverado also sits on a fresh set of brand new tires, which enhance both its ride quality and road presence. It starts up easily, runs strong, and drives well.
Number 3.
1987 Dodge D150, price $8,000. This truck is a well-maintained classic pickup with 175,000 miles on the odometer. It features a strong-running 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance. The truck has recently been upgraded with a brand new 4-inch lift kit, complete with new shocks and springs, giving it a more aggressive stance and improved off-road capability. A dual exhaust system with silver bullet mufflers adds a deep, throaty rumble to its sound. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, ensuring comfort in any weather. The exterior is finished in silver, complemented by a clean gray interior, making this D150 a standout both in looks and performance.
Number 4.
1985 Dodge D150, price $5,500. It is powered by a reliable 318 V8 engine paired with a 727 3-speed automatic transmission. The truck features an aluminum radiator and a transmission cooler for improved cooling performance, along with a Flowmaster muffler that adds a deep, aggressive tone. Recent upgrades include high-end LED headlights, a modern stereo system with Bluetooth connectivity, a new steering wheel, newer tires, a fresh grille, and brand new floor pans and carpet. The dashboard is solid with no cracks, and the sliding rear window has a new latch. The tailgate is also equipped with new rubber bumpers. Notably, the truck remains rust-free, including the solid drip rails with no holes. While everything on the vehicle functions as it should, the air conditioning and passenger side window currently do not work. However, the cruise control is fully operational, which is a rare find in trucks of this era. This Dodge comes with a clean and clear Kansas title and the seller's name.
Number 5.
1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. Originally a rust-free Texas truck, it has never been exposed to the harsh winter weather of New York, preserving its solid body and structural integrity. The truck features a well-worn but appealing blue exterior with natural patina that gives it a timeless, rugged character. The interior is finished in matching blue, maintaining the truck's original charm and period-correct look. With only 115,000 miles on the odometer, this Chevy is powered by a reliable 5.0-liter V8 engine mated to a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It starts right up, runs smoothly, and drives well, ready for cruising, light hauling, or just enjoying as a classic daily driver. It's also equipped with desirable factory options including cold air conditioning, a tilt steering column, power windows, and power door locks, offering added comfort and convenience. The dual exhaust system not only enhances the sound but adds a subtle performance edge.
Number 6.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,250, with 155,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features near-new tires on all four corners, ensuring a confident ride, and the steering feels tight and responsive. Both the air conditioning and heating systems work as they should, along with power windows and power door locks. The bench seat appears to have been professionally patched and remains in above-average condition, contributing to the clean and well-kept interior. On the outside, the cab corners and rockers have been replaced with new steel panels. While the clear coat is peeling in some areas and the paint on top of the cab is thinning, the truck also comes equipped with a front bumper guard, a toolbox in the bed for extra utility, and a new aftermarket radio that provides excellent sound quality.
Number 7.
1987 Ford F-150, price $4,000. The truck has traveled 120,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It comes with an orange exterior and a red interior, powered by a 302 engine with true dual exhaust. Currently used as a daily driver, the truck has several recent upgrades, including new tires, new shocks, and a new gas tank. It has been lowered 3 inches in the front and 5 inches in the rear for improved stance. However, it does have some issues. The windows are not working, the fuel gauge is acting up, the temperature gauge is malfunctioning, and the brake lines still have some air in them, despite all brake parts being newly replaced.
The truck could also benefit from door speakers and additional brake bleeding. Number 8.
1987 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500, with a striking brown exterior and red interior.
It has been well maintained and shows 80,000 miles on the odometer.
Under the hood, it features a 305 fuel-injected engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, providing reliable power and performance. The truck boasts a full-frame notch and 4-link rear suspension, along with a raised bed floor to accommodate its airlift 3-piece system, which can be controlled remotely or via Bluetooth from a phone. The truck has a newer paint job and is equipped with long tube headers, enhancing both the performance and aesthetic appeal. Despite its custom modifications, the C10 remains capable of hauling heavy loads and towing a trailer without issue.
Number 9.
1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,000. This truck is a well-preserved, all-original example with 162,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in red both inside and out, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
The current owner is the truck's second caretaker and has recently installed a new radiator and transmission, along with new fuel lines and a fuel filter to ensure reliability.
The truck runs well and is ideal for someone looking for a dependable and fuel-efficient classic pickup. Included with the sale are complete dealership receipts and documentation dating back to the original purchase, as well as a detailed history of maintenance performed over the years.
Number 10.
2000 Chevrolet C2500, price $4,000. It's powered by a 350 Vortec engine mated to a 4L80E automatic transmission and has 244,000 miles. The truck runs on gasoline and has been daily driven for the past 3 months with no issues, no smoke, leaks, or overheating, and it maintains good oil pressure. Finished in burgundy with a gray interior, it has rust on the rockers but a very clean underside, solid cab mounts, floor pans, and frame. Recent maintenance includes new intake, valve cover, and exhaust gaskets, a refreshed ignition system, new serpentine setup, and a full cooling system flush. It also has new brake lines, new rear brake shoes, and copper/nickel lines for durability. The only minor needs are a driver's door handle and window. Nearly flawless bumpers can be included with the right deal.